let's make some spicy guacamole.
We are back at it again, raising the vibes with one of my favorite healthy go-to snacks, which is so quick and easy to make, this spicy guacamole. I like to enjoy this after working out or as a late night snack throughout the day. It's just so perfect and the best healthy alternative than eating low vibrational chocolate bars, potato chips, french fries. Try this healthy snack instead, and you're gonna love it. It's just so versatile. You can eat it with almost anything or by itself. It's perfect for the summer, and it's going to keep you energized and your skin glowing and thriving. So if you enjoyed this recipe, share this with your friends having a healthy vibe summer, and stay tuned for more healthy recipes.